Jessica and Laika. Harmony. Ganadong-ganado yung Jessica. Love her outfit. Love it when they harmonize. Ang ganda lang ito. Couldn't get much higher. My spirit takes flight. 'Cause I am alive. Oh, when you call on me, when I hear you breathe, when I hear you breathe, I can reach the light. I feel that I'm alive. So sila ikaw yung lahat na sa taas kanina. Taas. A5 note. So, Celine Dion songs sila. Okay. Kitaryado si ano, Laika. Darren. So I don't know what to say, no. But it's plain to see if we stick together, you're gonna find a way, yeah. So don't surrender, 'cause you can win in this thing called love. Life is empty. Dynamics. With no tomorrow, and loneliness starts to call. Baby, don't worry. Nakalimutan yung lyrics. 'Cause love's gonna conquer it all. Wow. I love you, Laika.
Oh, third ang taas. A5 note yun. Yun lang. E5. Sagutan sila. A5 note talaga. Saya na kayo si Diana Justin. Love dynamics. Oh, free girls. Mga Bisaya ni Puros, oh. It's so nice to see artists of GMA and ABS-CBN come together for a performance, no? So, guys, wag kayong mag-away-away sino magaling, sino hindi. Parehong magaling, parehong nag-shine, and they're really good friends. Isa pa, mga Bisaya itong mga to. So, supportahan natin sila. Kung wala tayong magandang sasabihin, itikom ang bibig para hindi tayo magka-minus sa langit. Okay? Maraming salamat for watching and see you again next time. Bye.
Tayo ko sa